Hello and welcome to this short yoga flow for tense neck and shoulders. This practice can be taken anywhere and any time, and excellent if you're limited on space as well. So when you're ready, we'll come through to your seated position. Let's ensure that the sit bones are comfortable. Palms casually down onto the thighs just to begin with. And we're going to take a few shoulder rolls. So that imitation, we're going to take the shoulders up towards the ears and then rolling them back. I'm just taking a few. It's going to feel a little bit crunchy, a little bit sticky. Beginning to take the shoulders up, rolling them back one final time, opening up the chest. As we arrive here, palms and fingertips can stay exactly where they are. We're going to begin to take your right ear towards your right shoulder. So as I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. And we can stay here. Maybe our left hand begins to drip down towards the earth. If you want to take it a little bit further, maybe we take that right hand up towards the sky, fingertips lightly on the temple or the ear itself. And you know your body's best, so just gauge how much pressure you may add. And we'll begin to let that right hand rise, stacking the head. We'll take a half cactus, opening up the chest. And beginning to rise. We're going to take a gentle twist. Right hand coming onto that left limb, left hand coming behind. Now the gaze can stay forward, or maybe we begin to take it to the side, over that left shoulder. Beautiful. Left arm's going to begin to come over towards that right limb, tucking the chin, rounding the spine. Shoulders rising. We'll begin to take the crossed arms up. We're going to begin to give ourselves a hug and then our eagle. So maybe cupping the elbows, maybe we're bound. So when we arrive, taking the elbows up towards the sky, regardless of whether eagle or hug. And then we'll begin to tuck and round. And this is where we begin to really make some space between the shoulder blades along the spine. And we'll begin to lift the elbows, beginning to unfurl, releasing your eagle or hug. And again, we'll tuck and round. And shoulders coming over the sit bones. We'll begin to invite your left ear towards the left shoulder. Again, right hand can begin to come down towards the earth. Left fingertips on the thigh or the knee. Or again, maybe we sweep fingertips onto that right temple or ear. I'm just taking a little bit of time here. Take the gaze to the lap or soften as it close the eyes if you like. We'll begin to stack the head, the left hand beginning to rise. We'll take that half cactus. So imagine a half rugby post like arm. We'll take the arm up. We'll begin to take that twist. Left hand coming onto that right knee or thigh, right hand behind. And again, we'll begin to take that right hand across, tucking and rounding. Beginning to lift our crossed arms, beginning to come into your hug, or maybe your variant of eagle. Taking a moment here, and then again, we'll begin to tuck and round. Lifting the elbows, we'll begin to unfurl, releasing the hands down by our side. Casually beginning to sweep the arms up overhead. Left hand's going to begin to grab your right fingertips or your wrist, or maybe along the forearm. We're going to begin to take a gentle side stretch over towards the left, leading with that left elbow. Hands rising. Right hand beginning to grab that left limb, lengthening, and then again we'll take that side stretch. Hands beginning to rise, interlacing the hands, taking the palms to the back of the head. Imagine the thumbs along the back of the neck. And we can stay right here. This is quite nurturing for the back of the body as well as the head. Otherwise, what we might begin to do is take a gentle back bend, opening up the heart. Just ensure you're not coming onto the back of the sit bones. Trying to stay grounded. And from here, we'll begin to invite the elbows towards each other, chin parallel with our lap to begin with, and then beginning to take the chin in towards the collarbones, tucking and rounding. Adding a gentle pressure to the back of the head. We'll begin to open up, chin parallel with the earth, or again, gaze going up towards the sky. Last round, tucking and rounding. Beginning to lift the chin, gently releasing the hands down by our side. We'll begin to tuck and round. From this cat, we'll begin to take the shoulders back over the sit bones, beginning to spiral. So imagine the spine similar to a corkscrew. So starting low with the waist, and then beginning to incorporate the lower ribs, upper chest. And we'll begin to bring the shoulders back over the sit bones. Casually taking the hands together at the heart, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your practice and your well-being. And thank you for taking this very short yoga practice for our tense neck and shoulders. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.